Thanks for checking out one of our videos here on YouTube. We've got, I don't know, 750, I don't know, give or take, videos on YouTube. So I got a lot of videos out there, a lot of different things on what we work on, how to fix things, how to test things. But that's our website, fencerfixer.com is our website. We work on all brands and ages of these things. We also work on cattle scales and low bars. Mostly Gallagher's and True Tests is what we work on mostly, but we'll work on probably pretty much anything. There are links down below in the description area, so if you want to go down there and click on links to our website, be happy to send something to us, be happy to help you out. Alright, well, this is a Power Wizard PW100S. Came to us for repair. Don't get too many of these solar powered Power Wizard units. They seem to be okay. I mean, they seem to be pretty good for the money. So if you're thinking about getting a solar powered fence charger, I mean, they don't make real big ones. I mean, this is 0.15 joule, output. So probably 0.25 stored, I would guess. But they're pretty reliable. I mean, this particular unit's manufactured April of 2012, so it's 10 years old almost. Going on 10 years old based on when this video was made. So let's take it apart first. I don't think they sent the battery because it's pretty light, so I think they kept the battery with them. I don't even know if I got the parts to fix this thing. I'm going to take this part off first. I think this is where the battery goes. No. Okay. Alright, you see, I've only worked on like just a small handful of their solar stuff, Power Wizard and Dare, which is their other brand they kind of put their name on. Piece of plastic. Hold on. This plastic's kind of brittle, and part of it broke. You can see right there. A piece of it broke off, went down the hole there. I don't know what this cover does, honestly. Nothing can go in there, so we'll leave it on for now. Alright, well, nothing behind that little window. Let's take the screws loose. Well, the battery does go in that area there, but it's oh, that's where the solar panels and everything plugs together at. Put that solar panel front case off to the side. Alright. The note did say they wanted to buy a battery from us, so we'll see what kind of battery fits in there. This is, I believe, a 12-volt model. More screws. Alright, looks like a, let me look, I think a 12 volt 5 amp hour battery will fit inside there. Alright, I got one here. I'm going to make sure it's good first, because this battery's been sitting on my shelf for a little while. So I'll test it, make sure it's over 12. 12.6, the battery's almost fully charged. I think these peak at about 13. So let's, well, that's a loose connection. I'm going to stay on there. So about the negative one. Alright, negative and positive both pretty loose. So let's tighten them up a little bit. Alright, it's got an on-off type switch on it. It is like a three-way deal. So put this to positive, black to negative. I'll have to see that. I'll have to see if this battery's even the one that fits it. Alright, let's see what happens. Someone else can see the light a little bit. Turn it to on. Light's flashing. It's clicking. Let's put some power to it, or put the lead to it. Seems to be working okay. Let's put a wire across this, kind of spark this thing jumps. This is ground, this is fence. I don't know, maybe because they said their note said they tried a new battery and it still wouldn't come on, but that's such a loose connection there to slide on and off real easily. So the negative wasn't added, but that positive was probably making hardly any connection, I guess. I see some corrosion in there. Some corrosion right there. Alright, let me get the old Dremel tool out. Where the hell it's at? Oh, crap. Alright, well, can't find the Dremel. Go ahead and put the knobs back on just to get them. Well, yeah, these go on here. Well, I gotta fix that too. Let's see, watch this. See, as you tighten this little nut right there, or head of the bolt, whole bolt spins, so you can't really tighten this knob down. The whole thing is spinning there. Okay, well, let's pull the battery leads off. Get in there and do that. This one positive tightens up like it's supposed to. Can't turn it no more, but this one wiggles the whole thing. Alright, so let's pull this board out of here. There's probably a charge built up in this. I'm going to be kind of careful. Come on. This did want to break anything. Clean looking. Alright, let's get this Alright, there's the nut. So tighten that nut up on the outside here. Come on. Oh yeah, it ain't moving now. Okay, well let's see. Let's see how this board goes back in. Oh, the thing's crooked. When I tightened it up, this tab here turned in a little bit. What it needs to be. Quite. Well, let's try that. Come on, get on there. I just want to press too hard and bend and break something that doesn't need to be bent and broken. Okay. So hook power back up to it, make sure it still works. Light's still flashing, unit's still blinking. Alright, see if this battery's the right kind to fit in here. It fits in like this. Let's get these wires on first. Alright, where's that little... Goes on like this. Smashing your wires. pull the green and yellow wires in a little more, and the black wire back in here a little bit more. I didn't like that side. Let's have to go this side. I like this deal. Somebody from Power Wizard's probably watching this saying, just do it over there, dummy. Put it over there. Put the wire, the wire goes over there. See, that's still a little loose. No, I think it's just a red plastic that's actually moving. See if it turns on still. Okay, I had to switch in the wrong position. I thought something messed up again. Alright, we'll just try to put these wires back over here somewhere. I put the lid on there, it'll stay in place. Let's see. Let's put that. Alright, let's check the solar panel, see what it's doing. I don't know if we can check it in the shop or not, get a good reading. Let's we'll try it. If not, let's take it outside and see what it reads. Alright, there's some numbers on the back. 1.5 watts, open circuit voltage. It's 20.7. That's when it's not loaded down. I don't know if we'll be able to get enough. Sometimes you have to have hot sunlight to get actual readings out of these things, but we'll give it a whirl. We're getting 10.2. Imagine it took it outside, it'd be a lot better, but I can only do what I can in the shop. And it's raining, kind of cloudy today, so I imagine if it was outside, I'd be putting out more. But let me see if I can go get a reading on this. Let me go outside real quick, test it, and we'll come back and tell you. Alright, yeah, solar panel's good. And it's a little cloudy out, and we're reading 19.9, and it says it should be 20.7. So I imagine if it was perfectly sunny outside, it might be a little higher, but that's fine. That's well within its spec range, I would imagine. Alright, well, let's get this cover back on it. Oh, there's a Dremel. Let's see if we can clean a little bit of that corrosion. It's not a lot, but you know, just clean it up some. Got some contact cleaner we'll spray on here. And it'll dry, but right now it's still on there. Let's alright, it stinks. That contact spray. Watch this sliding in. Make sure I don't pinch any wires or anything. just slides in and come out of there. All right. This is the right bit. All right, switch on. Still working. So it should be good to go. Alright, well that's it for this little video. This took a little longer than I thought, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do to fix these things sometimes. Alright, well if you got any kind of questions, ask down below. If you want to send us something for us to work on, we're happy to take a look at it. And until next time, we'll see you later on.